Hi, Gracie.
Mom.
No, she's not home. What about me? That's me.
Mom.
Gracie, what does a wolf say? What about a lion? And a sheep? And what about a horse? What does a horsey say? No, what does a horsey say? Very good. Uh-oh. You want to do Summers? You want to do a rollover? You gonna stand on your head? Up, down you go. Uh-oh.
Mom.
Mom's not home yet. Mom's at the strip clubs.
Mom.
No, it's okay. And she's not patronizing either. She's working. Yeah, I see. Do you want to put your t-shirt on? No? Why not? You don't want to put your t-shirt on? Is that what you thought of your t-shirt, huh? Can you wave? Can you say hi? Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. You're going to be 16 months old soon. You got your aquarium on, huh? Is that your aquarium? Okay. Oh. Standing on your head. Boom. Down on your bum. Look how cute you are, huh? Hi, Grace. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, huh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You dropped your pacifier. Where'd it go? There it is. There you go. Here you go. Okay, say bye-bye, Gracie. I'm going to turn it off now. Say bye-bye.